What's up, YouTube? Loops a lot here with another one. So today I just wanted to give you guys a little rundown of my 2020 Honda Grom and everything that I've done to this bike, everything that has been done to it, and everything I plan on doing to the bike. We was waiting on the meet, but I think this is everybody. I think this is everybody for today. I'm not really feeling the vibe here with all the cars pulling up and all the noises and shit, so we're gonna bounce out of here and I'll catch you guys at the next spot.
Tell me today, guys, what y'all want to drink?
Ooh.
I don't know yet. Right now, I gotta get out of my bubble. See, I told you. I
brought 3 waters, so I gotta finish them. After Chris and Wyatt come out with their drinks or whatever, we get on the road. I think we're gonna roll down here to Catfish Bay, and then I'll run over what I said I would run over with you guys.
I must not.
Yes, sir.
Because I.
It's a bear. Just started my camera. I'm gonna do some wheeling. Bear. Woo! Woo! I don't know if that showed on camera, but. Okay, so this looks like a good enough spot as any to go over this. I left Chris and Wyatt up the hill, so I could go ahead and shoot this little bit of the video for you guys. So everything that was done to my 2020 Honda Grom when I purchased it about 5 to 6 months ago, it had 1,225 miles, and I put roughly a little over $2,000 or whatever on it. List of things that were already done to the bike. So if you come over here, I noticed last time I cleaned my chain, it's a little dirty right now. Last time I cleaned my chain, that it was a D.I.D. So the guy previously had swapped the chain on this, because these Groms do not come stock with D.I.D. chains. So I didn't do that, but that was one thing that's done to this bike. It already had the Pro tapers. These are 7/8 with, let's see if I can't focus this in. They're 7/8 with the Henry Reed bin. So they're a lot lower than stock and a bit wider. I love them. I couldn't ask for any better bars, man. I love these bars. A lot of people on these Groms run KLX 110 bars from Pro Taper, which is all right. I mean, that's like the common bar for these. So that was already on the bike. I didn't feel like I needed to swap it. I already liked it. So since I've had it, what I've done to it is this Angry Stuntz 12 bar. Subcage it's more known as a 12 bar in the stunt community. This thing is a bike saver. I'm talking about, okay, if you see right here, so I laid this bike down at 42 miles an hour, and this right here, okay, so I got some scuffs on my boomerang, tore up. That was already shaved when I got the bike, and then that was it. That was the totality of 42 miles an hour, boom. And I chop it up 100% to this 12 bar right here. So that's my favorite mod. That's why I wanted to start with that. So moving on, we'll just work with what I see. So I put this little foam mat on here. It's just a little quad lock knockoff, but it works amazing. So no need to buy another crazy one right now. So Domino Grips. As you can tell, I did that. I was trying to make a video when I installed these. I wanted to do an install video, and I didn't like the quality of the video. So I'll reshoot another one after I get some more grips, because those have got to be replaced pretty soon. Moving on. I wouldn't even count these, but I threw some little custom vinyls on here, loops a lot. And over here we got, and I thought it fitting to put it on this side. Street's gotta eat. Put it on the side with the loop. So that's why that's there. Custom bar pad, which isn't nothing, you know, that's getting replaced soon as well. What else have I done to this? This bike's pretty stock. So the 2,000 miles that I put on this bike, pretty stock. I want to keep the stock exhaust. I was thinking about upgrading the exhaust. I may still go to like a Zoom Loop or like a Zoom Brute, but I really like how quiet that is for how much I stunt and how much I wheelie and all that good, allegedly wheelie. I don't know what I'm talking about. I do. So exhaust is gonna stay probably stock. I like how quiet it is with how much I wheelie. Knobbies, gotta go. Those are getting swapped out for street tires as soon as possible. Mostly just because of how much I wheelie, to be honest with you. If I didn't wheelie as much, then knobbies probably wouldn't be that bad. So future mods on the way next week. I'm gonna try to shoot a video because it's already on the way, but I guess it's the wrong side, isn't it? Boom. This bad boy's coming off. We're doing 60% springs, and we're doing the Grombeardo oil pump. So you guys be watching out for that video. Super excited about that. If you guys don't know what that is, stay tuned. I'll keep you guys informed. So just to recap, future mods coming to the Grom. Oil pump mod. I've got one finger clutch on the way. That should be here next week. So y'all get a video for that. And the 60% springs, which is going to come with, it's all from Grombeardo, so it's going to come with the plate, the springs, and the actual lifter. So that's going to be fun. If you guys found any value in this, or you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to drop the questions down in the comments. I'll be happy to get to you. I try to respond to every comment. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Go ahead and get back up here to these guys.